we're making burgers today. So far, I have cut onions up, put them into a bowl. I have cut bacon into little squares and put them in with the mince. Next, we're going to be putting the salt, pepper and garlic into the mince. Now I'm going to put some Chicago steak seasoning. And for the genuine flavour, we will add some Worcestershire sauce. So I'm going to mix this with my hands, but first you need to go make sure that you've washed your hands. About a teaspoon of garlic that we forgot. And I'll mix it back in again. Now you want to make a patty. So you want it about the size of your hand. You get a hole in the middle. You want a big flat hole. Grab some cheese and cut it to squares. So you need a capsicum. Cut the ends off and then cut it into squares. Remove the seeds first. Cut some more bacon into squares. We're gonna fry off the bacon, the capsicum and the onion. While you are preheating the barbecue to 180 degrees, you need to grab a bit of the mixture and put it in the hole you made for the patty. Grab 3 blocks of cheese and put that into the hole of the patty. Through the process of time, we have now got a whole heap, and now we're going to chuck them on the barbecue. Now we close the lid and let them cook for 15 to 20 minutes. Oh, so good. Still a little bit longer to go. Now we're going to see if they're ready. And if they are, we'll put them onto a tray. Oh, perfect. And now a quick drizzle of chili sauce. Now let's have a look in the middle. So now we're going to cut down the middle to see what it looks like inside. Now plate them up with a bit of salad and dinner's ready. And this is chef's privilege. We get to try it and you don't.